Kia ora guys, welcome back to New Zealand. Now I've been watching a few videos online of late by photographers using film, again, black and white film. Paul C. Smith in particular, really enjoying his videos. He's got some fantastic black and white videos on there, and I'm really getting kind of inspired again. I did this a while back and got into film and bought myself a little film camera and went mad for a few weeks. Then I sort of went off it a little bit because, you know, it's kind of, love the idea, but it's the weight. You know, you take the photographs and you're waiting. The expense, not so much of a concern, but the waiting, oh god, it does my head in. Anyway, so the plan is, so I've been watching these videos the last week or so, and I'm getting really inspired again, so I thought, bugger it. I'm going to buy myself some black and white film, so I've got a couple of rolls of black and white, 35mm black and white film. I got my personal favourite, which is Ilford HP5, which I absolutely love. Beautiful, beautiful film. So much so that I've actually had HP5 tattooed on my arm somewhere. A roll of HP5 tattooed on my arm, and a roll of FP2 as well, because why not? Anyway, that's how daft I am. And I also bought a roll of Kodak Tmax 400, which I used a little bit back in the day, but not much. What I remember about Tmax 400 is how contrasty it was. It was a really, I just remember it being a really contrasty film. The blacks were like jet black, the whites were just stunningly bright and beautiful. So I've got a roll of each. Got it from a company up in Auckland on the recommendation of Paul C. Smith, and they delivered it the next day after I ordered it, and it came with a couple of little lollies and a little Kit Kat as well. So you know, the way to my heart is through my stomach, especially when Kit Kats are involved. So big ups to you there, guys. Thank you for that. So I've loaded a roll of film in, and I decided to go tonight. I've just finished work, so I've decided to go with the roll of Kodak Tmax 400. And my plan is to go up to Napier. I've phoned my young fella, and I said, look lad, I'm coming down to the skate park. You and your mate's going to be there. Then I can sort of burn off this roll of film and get it sent away sharpish. Yep, all good. So that's the plan. So I'm going to go up there and rattle off 24 frames, give or take, and see what we come out with. I can either send the film away. I've got the dev tank, right? I've got a dev tank, so I could actually develop the film myself, but I've got no chemicals, which is no big deal. I can get chemicals. I've got no way to do it really. My van, it's not light tight. It might be a bit of a mission. I don't know. I've not got the dark bag. I used to have a dark bag way back. No idea where that's gone. It's got lost in transfer between house to house to house. Who knows where the hell it is these days. Anyway, so I've not got that. So my plan is I can either send the film away for developing and scanning onto a pen drive, or I might contact the local photographic society in Napier. Just see if one of the photographers there has got a dev facility, and if they have, I might just nip in there and see if I fancy doing that. So if that happens, I'll add that in the video as well, but we'll see how it goes. So the plan for now is race off to Napier, get into the skate park, crack off a few shots, and we'll just see how that goes. Alright guys, so come along for the ride and we'll see what we get. guys, that has taken 10 days. 10 days of sat chomping at the bit. Couldn't wait, they finally arrived. 10 days included 2 weekends, and New Zealand Post, they only delivered on certain days, so that's why it's taken 10 days. But hopefully it's been worth the wait. I have actually seen the scans, the digital scans. They look very impressive, quite happy. Interesting to see how the prints look. Let's have a look. It's been a long time since I've seen negatives, black and white negatives. They actually look pretty bloody good. They look well exposed. Kind of impressed with them. Beautiful. I've got them printed on matte paper. I prefer matte paper. I always kind of preferred matte paper. Now, one thing I did notice, I ordered a roll of 24 exposure film, and when I was shooting I got to 24, 25, 26, 27, and it just kept going and going and going. It turns out it was they'd sent me a roll of 36, and I've done that with the FP4 as well, so bless them. I don't know if that was a mistake on their part or it was just a little bit of goodwill. Whichever, it is gratefully received. Well, that's come out nice. Apart from the obvious pole growing out of the lad's head. That's a bit of a mistake by me, but I quite like the shot itself. A lot of nice contrast there, beautiful. So guys, it's the, let me just wind this window up. So it's the morning after the night before, obviously, which normally happens. I've had a good bit of time between taking the photographs and getting the prints back and negatives back and sitting down and really looking at them, which I did last night, and I've come up with a conclusion. I'm impressed, very impressed. The process of shooting on film was, and it was enjoyable. I just loved it. The wait, obviously, for the prints coming back, that's not even slightly funny. It's just, forget about it. So like I say, I bought the chemicals. They should be here today, tomorrow, and then I can start doing my own processing. But as an experiment, another experiment with film, very successful, I think. I'm quite happy with that. So listen guys, I'm going to post some of the, I won't post all of the photographs from the shoot. I'll just post my my personal favourites from the shoot. So with a bit of luck, you should get a dozen nice photographs out of this. Just want to say a big thank you to everyone who's stuck with this and watched it, and if you've taken anything from it, a little bit of inspiration or a bit of enjoyment, give me a bit of an old thumbs up. And if you really want to spread the love and share the love and the good feelings as it's Christmas season coming up, give us a subscribe as well. It all helps to bump my numbers up, because I'm on about 121 now, 121 subscribers, which I still find bloody amazing that 121 people want to sit and listen to me jabbering on. But hey, stranger things. Listen, I appreciate it. Thank you for your time. For now, from New Zealand, on what I can only describe as a successful film foray. I'll catch you later. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, wherever you are in this beautiful world. Alright guys, ka kite anō. Catch you later.